We are back with another video. This one is on some pets you can get when fishing. The first thing I recommend you doing is heading over to the pet shop and running the daily quest here. I recommend doing this every single day. Now, if you don't have a lot of time, then just do the first one. This is what I do. It only gives 5. Otherwise, it's better if you can do this one or this one because you're going to be getting more per day. This is going to be very important for things like what I'm about to be showing you in this video. The first pet is the paper catfish, and you can get this in Box Springs. I've already showed you how to get there, so you head over to the Greengard Forest and then you head all the way over to Fort Sneed, and then from here you just go right around the side here and into this cave, which you are then in Box Springs. Once you've completed the storyline here, and you're going to be moving on into the Isle of the Dead. Once you complete the first quest in the Isle of the Dead, head back to here and talk to Knobs, and you'll be getting a series of quests, the last of which will be this one right here, and all you need is the 300 pet feed. Turn it in and you'll be getting yourself this pet. It's a really awesome pet. Look how adorable that thing is. Really cool. I expected it to be flat. I wasn't expecting it to actually have girth, but it's pretty wide. The next pet you can get over at the Pointless Isle, which is in the Mysterious Isle right over here. And you need to be able to complete the first quest in the Social District. Once you've completed the first fishing quest in the Social District, head back to this guy right here, talk to him, and he will have a series of quests, the last of which is going to be giving you the kite pets. Now, for these ones, you are going to be needing 500 pet feed, which is why at the beginning of the video I told you make sure that you're doing your dailies for the pet feed. Once you get to 500, you turn the quest in, you'll be getting these two things right here. This is a really nice looking kite. I like how the string just kind of disappears into the ground. And then this is the other one here. You have 2 different kites, both of which you can choose which one you want to use. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank everybody who helped me with the information that I used on this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.